Hello friends, welcome to our mathematics program for grade 7. Today we are going to see the first part on symmetry, right? Now you've been doing symmetry for years now, so it's always good to refresh. What we are going to look at today will be how to locate and to draw line of symmetry in a given plane figure. Now to start with, let's see, what is symmetry? Okay? Now, when you take a figure, you divide it along a line, right? You've got two halves. Now, these two halves are mirror images of each other, okay? That is, they will exactly fit on the top of each other, right? Okay, that's what we call symmetry. So I say it again, you take a figure, you divide it in two halves, the two halves will fit exactly on each other. That's what we call symmetry. Now, since it is symmetry along a line, it is called line symmetry. And this line, the line that you've got, it is the line of symmetry, or we call it the mirror line, or even the axis of symmetry. Now, let's see, where can we find symmetry? Right. Now, symmetry is all around us. You can find it in nature, for example. Let's see, suppose you've got a nice butterfly, right? Or a flower. These are symmetrical, okay? Then symmetry is in art, okay? Remember when you were in primary school, right? Everyone has done that. You take a paper, you put some watercolor on that, you fold it, you press it, right? And then you open it. What do you have? You have a nice picture, okay? And this picture is symmetrical. So you've got in nature, you've got in art, you've got also in architecture, right? For example, let's see, you've got the nice building of MCB at Eben. That's symmetrical. Now, let's take an example. Suppose that you've got this isosceles triangle, right? Now, if we fold it in half, what happens? Well, if you fold it, it will exactly fit, as you can see, the other one, right? The two halves exactly fit on one another. Thus, we can say that this isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. We take another example. Suppose you've got a rectangle. Now, look at this rectangle, okay? Can you just imagine where you can find line of symmetry in that? Okay, let's see. You can fold it along the horizontal or the vertical dotted lines, all right? So, if you fold it along the vertical line, it will fit on one another. If you fold it along the horizontal line, it will fit on one another. So we can say that this rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Okay? Now, let's move on. Can you draw the lines of symmetry, if any, in the given plane figures? Now, the first one, it is a square. The second one, the part B, you can see look at here, it is a parallelogram. Here you've got an equilateral triangle and an hexagon. Now, let's see where are the line of symmetry. For the first one, okay, that's a square. Where can we find line of symmetry? You've got one here, right. And then you've got a horizontal one, that's right. And two diagonal. Now the parallelogram, you can't find any line of symmetry in that. So we say that the parallelogram does not have a line of symmetry. What about the equilateral triangle? Let's see. You've got one here, you've got another one, and a third one. So equilateral triangle, 3 lines of symmetry. Hexagon, that's a regular hexagon, means that all the sides are equal. So you've got one here, you've got another one, right? So let's count. That will be 6 lines of symmetry because you've got 6 sides. We move on? Right, now draw the line of symmetry, if any, in the given figures. Now, the first one is the capital D. You've got the capital D, the capital M, the number 7, and a scalene triangle. Let's see. For the D, where can we find it? Right, that's a horizontal line of symmetry. For the M, that will be a vertical line of symmetry. Now, for the number 7, yeah, that's right, you can't see anyone, so that will be no line of symmetry. And for the scalene, no line of symmetry. Right? Now, a few exercises for you to practice. Draw the line of symmetry, if any, in the given figure. So you've got 4 parts here. And the second one, you draw the line of symmetry in the given one. So friends, we have seen today the first part on symmetry, right? We have seen what is symmetry, how to locate and draw lines of symmetry, right? Now, you've got examples in that, you've got exercises for you to practice in this video, but you also have exercises in your textbook, all right? So until we see each other next time, it's bye for now.